Happy Thursday, Lakers. So I just wanted to go over today's schedule. It's Thursday, April 30th. Can you believe tomorrow's May 1st already? It's crazy. So don't forget the Zoom at 10 o'clock today. We're going to have some fun for prizes. For reading, it'll take you a couple minutes to do the 8-3 spelling test. Then I'm going to put a little link to this video right in here, but I want you to do the Unit 8-2 assessment. So go into Clever, click on Benchmark. Now yours looks a little bit different. You're going to take the 8-2 assessment. So it looks like this once you log in. So I wanted to just remind you about kind of the three things we talked about this week. One is finding the main idea using supporting details. Okay. 2, helping to find the main idea with details that are graphic features, pictures, captions, maps, things like that. And then the third thing was finding the main idea with a supporting detail called an anecdote. And an anecdote was, if you remember, kind of a short little story given by the author that is from their perspective, and it helps us to relate to the story a little bit more. It makes it a little bit real, helps us to try and relate our experiences to what they're seeing or feeling or thinking. So an anecdote. So the first one, no, there, I'll show you in a second. Okay, so in this article is called Outsmarting the Storms, kind of fits with our theme. There are paragraphs which are numbered, and then there's also subtitles. So make sure you read the subtitles, all of the paragraphs, and then it ends with a map, average annual number of tornadoes. So like in Minnesota, it's 41.9. So that would be 41 tornadoes and then 9/10 of another one. So remember, it's an average. So please make sure you read this carefully. This is the key. This is the average from 1991 to 2015 in the whole country. So look at those carefully. There are 8 questions. And I think it's question let's see. Must be, I think this one. Why does the author present the anecdote? Yeah, it is, sorry. There's the word anecdote about the famous film The Wizard of Oz in paragraph 2. So in this paragraph, there's an anecdote from the Wizard of Oz that they use for a purpose. So that's what you're trying to figure out. So going back to the schedule, then I just have a couple math journal pages. It's a little bit of review. And then if you are done with your science egg drop, or if you're not done, finish that up and you're done. So have a nice long weekend. You guys deserve it. You've worked hard and I appreciate it. And we'll be in touch.